Alrighty folks, welcome back to welcome back to the channel. This is part one of a 6.9 IDI revive. Is it going to be revive and drive? Who knows? We're going to find out right now. I'm going to be pulling the injectors out and then kind of going from there. So I'll try to see if I can find a good place to stick you guys, and we'll go from there. Perfect, found the perfect spot for you guys. So this truck's been sitting probably 15-20 years, give or take, right? Yeah, kind of can figure. So only has 67,000 original miles on it. There we go. That one was a little bit of each. Everyone always makes it seem like it's super hard to do these injectors on these trucks, but in reality, it's not the hardest thing in the world. So, yeah, the diesel fuel in this thing is varnished now. So this is going to be a fun ordeal when we have to actually put fresh diesel in it. Smells like radioactive horse piss. Sounds familiar. There we go. There's fuel in that injector as well. So I've already been doing the liberty of doing the other injectors and kind of just doing them here and there. But I'd figure I'd start recording now while I'm damn near almost done with it. It's always got to be the rear cylinder. That's always a pain. Alrighty, here we go. There she goes. Oh, hell. That one was a little hard. Alrighty. Yeah, it's been a little while since I've posted. I haven't had much content to post lately, because, you know, the Chevy's running and driving, doing all of it, what I need it to do. But hanging out with my old guy friend Tatanka, he's in the background on the tailgate of the Chevy. We were sitting over here, I think last week or so, and the old guy that owns the place that we're at, I was eyeballing this truck, which is an 83 or 84 F-250. Has a big old camper on the back. And I asked him what engine it has under the hood, and he said it's got the 6.9 IDI. It's an automatic tranny, which I really don't care. I can fix that really easily with a nice ZF5 swap if I wanted to. But I'm probably going to keep it stock for a little while. The ordeal is that we're going to do all the precautionary stuff to actually get the truck sort of running and try to at least pull it out of the hole that it's sitting in right now. I don't know how well that's going to turn out, but we're going to find out. So what I got to do now is grab some big wrenches and take some probably 8mm sockets or 6mm sockets and undo these fuel lines, the lines that are running in between the injectors here, and just kind of go from there. So I'll bring you guys back when we're up to that point. Alrighty, now we're back, and right now I'm working on getting these in between lines broken loose on the IDI. So forgot what size wrench you'd need for these injectors, but it's a massive size, which unfortunately I don't know if I have or not. Or did I check my tools if I did? You know, kind of stunned. Guess that's the way she goes. Okay. Try to get you guys in my hand right. You guys can see everything going on. Or at least somewhat going on. I'll probably stick you guys back in your spot on the vacuum. So here, give me a minute. All right, well, you guys are stuck on a poor injection unit. So that'll work. Okay. Pop off this. I think this is the return line. Yeah, I think these are the return lines on the injectors. Oh, baby. There we go. Perfect. Got this one here. Got a whole bunch of goats in the background. That one there. I'll do this one here. I'll do this one here. And then just like that. Pull it right off. Yep, pop. Goes the weasel. Using a safe place, even though I'll probably replace these because they are very, very old. There's that one there. That one there. And come on, baby. There we go. That one's off there. And that one's off there. Those off. That was a fun part. And we gotta do the other side over here. That one's off there. That one's off there. There. Tight. Not crap, this was son of a gun. That one's off there. That one's off, and that one's off. Perfect. And then we'll do turn line. Ooh, squeaky. So yeah, so we're missing an injector on cylinder 1, or the injector line on cylinder 1, right there. Which, if you look on the bottom end of the engine there, well, you can't really tell, but yeah. So what I gotta do is find a big enough wrench to get onto the injectors themselves, and then should be able to theoretically pull them off. So I don't know if the 22 mil is gonna be probably a 24 millimeter wrench, more than likely, which does not shock me. So yeah, all the injector lines are broke loose, all the in-between lines are broke loose. Okay. We saw the rubber lines on all honesty.
Well, they don't have it. They don't have the wrench you want.
Yeah. I'm betting it's a 24 millimeter wrench, in all honesty, which I have at home, but I wasn't figuring I was going to pull injectors, and then here we are. So, yeah. So we're going to pack it up. We're going to rock and roll out of here. So, thanks for watching, guys, and don't have too much fun without me.